Hello everyone. Thanks for watching my video. This is Anjan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today's video, I think it's really helpful for you if you're really looking for a job in a field of AI or data science. And the company called Career Expert Consulting it's a US based startup company looking for AI scientists. And if you have more than 4 to 5 years of experience in a field of AI or machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and if you have experience with cloud computing like Azure or AWS and GCP, and even you must have experience with the transformer like bot, T5 or GPT kind of stuff. It's a specific job. I can give you the link in a below, and you can uh, go on that particular link and apply it. And please do subscribe and like and comment and share to your friends as well. Thank you so much for your watch time.